धीमहि यो यो नमः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नमः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। ॐ गं गणपतये नमो नमः। श्री सिद्धिविनायक नमो नमः। अष्टविनायक नमो नमः। गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। जय गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। जय गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। जय गणपति बाप्पा मोरया। जय गणपति बाप्पा मोरया।
ओम श्री राम कृष्ण भगवान की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। श्री अम्बे अम्बे मात की जय। श्री गणपति भगवान की जय।
विश्वाधारा विनायका।
ॐ विश्वाधारा विनायका।
ॐ विश्वाधारा विनायका।
ॐ विश्वाधारा विनायका।
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका।
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका।
ॐ विश्वाधारा सिद्धिविनायक भवभयनाशा
सिद्धिविनायक भवभयनाशा
सुरमुनिवन्दित श्रीगणेशा
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 विश्वाधारा विनायका ॐ
विश्वाधारा विनायका
ॐ विश्वाधारा विनायका
ॐ विश्वाधारा विनायका
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका
विनायका विनायका
ॐ विश्वाधारा विनायका
ॐ विश्वाधारा विनायका
सिद्धिविनायक भवभयनाशा
सिद्धिविनायक भवभयनाशा
सिद्धिविनायक भवभयनाशा
सिद्धिविनायक भवभयनाशा
सुरमुनिवन्दित श्रीगणेशा
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 विश्वाधारा विनायका ॐ
विश्वाधारा विनायका
ओम श्री राम कृष्ण भगवान की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। श्री अम्बे अम्बे मात की जय। श्री गणपति भगवान की जय।
पहला समरू गणपति देवा पहला समरू गणपति देवा विघ्न दे जो मारा कापी रे रामा विघ्न दे जो मारा कापी रे रामा पहला समरू गणपति देवा पहला समरू गणपति देवा बीजे समरू शारदा माता बीजे समरू शारदा माता वाणी निर्मल आपी रे रामा वाणी निर्मल आपी रे रामा पहला समरू गणपति देवा पहला समरू गणपति देवा बीजे समरू गुरु चरण में बीजे समरू गुरु चरण में पावन की दापा रे रामा पावन की दापा रे रामा पहला समरू गणपति देवा पहला समरू गणपति देवा छोटे समरू माता पिता है छोटे समरू माता पिता है सद्बुद्धि बहु आपी रे रामा सद्बुद्धि बहु आपी रे પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા, પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા. પૂનિત પંચમ પરમેશ્વરને, પૂનિત પંચમ પરમેશ્વરને, માનવ પદવી આપી રે રામા, માનવ પદવી આપી રે રામા. પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા, પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા. વિઘન દેજો મારા કાપી રે રામા, વિઘન દેજો મારા કાપી રે રામા. પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા, પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા. પૂનિત પંચમ પરમેશ્વરને, પૂનિત પંચમ પરમેશ્વરને, માનવ પદવી આપી રે રામા, માનવ પદવી આપી રે રામા. પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા, પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા, પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા, પહેલા સમરૂ ગણપતિ દેવા.
ઓમ શ્રી રામ કૃષ્ણ ભગવાન કી જય. પવન સુત હનુમાન કી જય. શ્રી અંબે અંબે માત કી જય. શ્રી ગણપતિ ભગવાન કી જય.
પાર્વતી પાલના પારવાર વરા પરમ ભાગ્ય ભવચરના ભક્તજન સુમુખ પ્रणव विनायक पावन परिमल चरणा पार्वती पालना पार्वती पालना पारवार वर परम भाग्य पवचरणा भक्तजन सुमुख प्रणव विनायक भक्तजन सुमुख प्रणव विनायक पावन परिमल चरणा पावन परिमल चरणा प्रभु गणपते परिपूरण वाळरुळवाये प्रभु गणपते परिपूरण वाळरुळवाये प्रभु गणपति 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 आदिमूल गणनाद गजानन अद्भुत तवल स्वरूप अद्भुत तवल स्वरूप देव देव जय विजय विनायक देव देव जय विजय विनायक देव देव जय विजय विनायक सन्मय पर शिव देवा सन्मय पर शिव देवा प्रभु गणपते परिपूरण वाळरुळवाये प्रभु गणपते 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 साधु वणंगी तुदी பாடியாடி உந்தன் சொன்னதே சரணடைந்தோமே. சாது வணங்கி துதி பாடியாடி உந்தன் சொன்னதே சரணடைந்தோமே. சாத சிற்ற சௌபாக்கியும் யாவையும் சாத சிற்ற சௌபாக்கியும் யாவையும் சங்கருள் சத்குரு நீயே. சங்கருள் சத்குரு நீயே. பிரபு கணபதி பரிபூரண வாழருள்வாயே. பிரபு கணபதி கணபதி கணபதி. தேடி தேடி எங்கோ ஓடுகின்றான் உன்னை தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே. தேடி தேடி எங்கோ ஓடுகின்றான் உன்னை தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே. தேடி கண்டு கொள்ளலாமே. கோடி கோடி மத யானைகள் பணி செய். கோடி கோடி மத யானைகள் பணி செய். குன்றிட விலங்கு பெம்மானே. குன்றிட விலங்கு பெம்மானே. பிரபு கணபதி பரிபூரண வாழருள்வாயே. பிரபு கணபதி கணபதி கணபதி. கணேசாய நமோ ஜெய ஜெய கணேசாய நமோ. 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 गणेशाय नमो ओम जय जय गणेशाय नमो ओम 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 प्रभु गणपते परिपूर्ण वाळरुள்வாயே प्रभु गणपते गणपते गणपते.
ओम श्री राम कृष्ण भगवान की जय. पवन सुत हनुमान की जय. श्री अम्बे अम्बे मात की जय. श्री गणपति भगवान की जय.
ॐ ऐं सर्वदेवदेवी स्वरूपाय श्रीरामकृष्णाय नमः. I bow down to Lord Ganesha, who is the remover of obstacles, the giver of boons, the beloved of the virtuous, who has embedded in his belly the whole universe, who wears the serpent, who fulfills the desires of the devotees. To that son of Gauri, who is the Lord of all, I offer my prostrations. Om Namo Narayanaya, dear sisters, brothers, and loving children. Today, Hindus throughout the world celebrate the glorious festival of Sri Ganesh Chaturthi. This auspicious celebration is on the 4th day of the bright fortnight of Bhadrapad, which is in August or September. Sri Ganesh Chaturthi is one of the most popular Hindu festivals. The unique form of Lord Ganesha explains undoubtedly that there is nothing that God cannot do. Lord Ganesha is adorable and enchanting, so we love to worship him. Everyone has great faith in this son of Mother Parvati and Lord Shiva. His stories are fascinating and simply draw us closer to him. Sage Vedvyasa, the renowned compiler of the Vedas, composed the divine epic called the Mahabharata. When he had thought about this amazing story, he required a scribe who would not only be able to transcribe it accurately, but also write it down as swiftly as he would dictate it. He prayed to Lord Brahma for guidance. The Lord explained that only Sri Ganeshji would be able to assist him. So the great sage invoked Lord Ganesha. He said, "O Ganapati Bhagwan, I want to dictate the story of the Mahabharata, and Lord Brahma has suggested that only you would be able to take down my dictation. I humbly entreat you to please be my scribe." Ganeshji replied, "Very well, I shall do as you wish, but I have a condition. You must dictate the story continuously without stopping. If you pause at any time, I will stop writing and will leave." Vedvyasa was very witty. He agreed, but cleverly protected himself with a counter condition. He said, "Yes, my lord, but I also request that you must first grasp the meaning of every line I dictate before you write it down." Both agreed to the conditions. When Vedvyasa began dictating, he found that Lord Ganesha was very fast in writing the sentences. This forced the sage to compose faster. Sometimes Vedvyasa required extra time to compose a brilliant verse, so he adopted an excellent strategy. He deliberately composed a verse with a complicated sentence construction, which would take some time to understand. Thus, while Ganeshji thought about the meaning of the verse before writing it down, Vedvyasa quickly composed more verses. Thus, the great epic, the Mahabharata, was composed by Vedvyasa and written by our beloved Sri Ganeshji himself. Today, the whole world is benefiting from this amazing epic. The Bhagavad Gita, though a scripture on its own, is a part of the Mahabharata. The values taught here are eternal. The Mahabharata also teaches us to lead a moral life and always be progressive until we become enlightened. We learn that there is much more to life than the senses can know. By following the path of righteousness, that is, being truthful and moral, and by meditating regularly, we can awaken the divine power within. Then, by God's grace, we understand that God is everywhere. Sri Ramakrishna, through his unique sadhana, experienced the sound of Om resonating all over the world. He heard the mystical sound of Om in the singing of the birds, the gentle flow of the river, and the waves of the ocean. That sound of Brahman is continually moving like waves through every place and every sound. As we begin every mantra with Om, we inevitably remember Lord Ganesha first, for he is the symbol Om. When we look at the side profile of Sri Ganeshji, we see that the Lord and Om are identical. Like Om, Ganesh ji represents God with and without form. By repeating Om, our minds are uplifted from the gross to the subtle until we realize our identity with Brahman. There is no end to the wisdom we can acquire from our scriptures, our deities, and their divine leelas. By practicing the useful lessons given by God, we can ultimately attain God. Stories add color, joy, enthusiasm, and attract our interest in being dharmic, that is, being righteous. Swami Vivekananda reminds us that to enjoy ultimate peace and contentment, we must be good and do good. Here is a humorous story about the snake around Lord Ganesha's stomach. Once Mother Parvati cooked a variety of delicious food, including Ganeshji's most favorite modaka or laddu. The Lord ate to his heart's content until he was very full. He then mounted on his vehicle, the little mouse, and began to travel. Suddenly, Moshika the mouse saw a huge snake and stumbled. Sri Ganeshji too fell, and when his stomach broke open, all the laddus fell out. Ganesha, the Supreme Lord, easily put the laddus back and tied his huge tummy with the snake as a belt to keep the laddus intact. God is almighty and can do anything. It is said that the whole cosmos is the belly of Lord Ganesha. The snake, however, has a deep spiritual significance. Every one of us has the Kundalini Shakti or the spiritual current in us. This divine energy is lying dormant like a coiled up sleeping serpent. There are 7 chakras located at different points of the Kundalini. These chakras provide subtle energy to the functions of the organs, mind, and intellect. The Mooladhara chakra is the first chakra at the base of the Kundalini Shakti, and Lord Ganesha is considered to be the presiding deity of this chakra. Sri Ramakrishna explains the 7 chakras and accurately explains at which levels our minds should be to progress in life. As devotees of God, we must know what to aspire towards. The Master says, the Vedas speak of the 7 planes where the mind dwells. When the mind is immersed in worldliness, it dwells in the 3 lower planes, that is, the organ of evacuation and generation, and at the navel. These are called the Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, and Manipura chakras. Dwelling in these states, the mind loses all its higher visions. It is totally worldly and broods only on lust and gold. So this is what we must avoid. The 4th plane, known as the Anahata, is at the heart. When the mind dwells there, explains the Master, one has the first glimpse of spiritual consciousness. One sees light all around. Such a man, perceiving the divine light, becomes speechless with wonder. His mind does not go down towards the objects of the world. The 5th plane of the mind is at the throat level. This plane is called the Vishuddha Chakra. When the mind reaches here, the aspirant becomes free from all ignorance and illusion. He does not enjoy talking or hearing about anything but God. If people talk about worldly things, he leaves the place at once. The sixth plane, called the Ajna Chakra, is at the forehead. When the mind reaches it, the aspirant sees the form of God day and night. But even then, a little trace of ego remains. At the sight of that incomparable beauty of God's form, one becomes intoxicated and rushes forth to touch and embrace it. But one doesn't succeed. It is like the light inside a lantern. One feels as if one can touch the light, but cannot, because the glass is covering it. At the top of the head is the seventh plane, called the Sahasrara Chakra. When the mind rises here, one goes into Samadhi. Then one becomes a Brahmagyani and directly perceives Brahman, the absolute reality. In this state, he is unconscious of the outer world and his body doesn't last long. He gives up his body in 21 days. Thus, it is clear that an incarnation of God brings his mind down only to help devotees go higher up on the spiritual path. To awaken the Kundalini Shakti, we must be spiritual by nature. Think good and noble thoughts and be selfless. We have a precious gem within us called the Atman, but we seldom talk about the subtle aspects of the human body. The ultimate goal of life is to have knowledge or wisdom about the Atman. The Atman is the same as the supreme reality called God. When Lord Ganesha removes all the obstacles from our minds, and when our minds become our best friend, then we will experience great joy in meditation, reading the scriptures, and doing good deeds. These activities give us absolute peace and contentment. What obstacles do we want Lord Ganesha to remove? The most important ones are lust, anger, greed, hatred, and pride. The power of prayer enables us to overcome our obstacles easily. The chanting of Om fills us with peace, gives us energy, and empowers us to face our difficulties bravely. There is an interesting story of how Sri Ganesh Ji saved the world from destruction. Once, Ravana, the king of Lanka, thought that he must be the most powerful king. He reflected, I must not be only invincible, but I must be immortal. The only way to attain immortality is by obtaining the Atmalinga, the soul of Lord Shiva. Since the Atmalinga belonged to Lord Shiva, Ravan worshipped Lord Shiva with great devotion. Pleased with his prayers, Lord Shiva granted him a boon. Ravana said, all I want is the Atmalinga. God knows how to do and undo also. Lord Shiva agreed, yes, my son, take it, but remember, don't place it on the ground until you reach Lanka. If the Atmalinga is placed on the ground, you will not be able to pick it up again. Ravana was overjoyed. Carrying the linga very carefully, he proudly began his return journey to Lanka. Narada, who came to know of this incident, realized that if Ravana succeeded in taking the Atmalinga to Lanka, he might become immortal and create havoc on earth. Narada requested Lord Ganesha to do something to prevent the Atmalinga from reaching Lanka. Lord Ganesha knew that Ravan performed his evening rituals without fail, so he cleverly planned what he would do. Soon the sun was about to set. Ravana had to perform his evening worship, but was worried about the Atmalinga. He knew that he should not put it down, but then how would he perform his rituals? Just then, Lord Ganesha, in the guise of a Brahmin boy, approached him. Ravana requested him to please hold the Atmalinga until he performed his rituals and asked the boy not to place it on the ground. Ganesha said that he would call Ravana thrice, and if Ravana did not return within that time, he would place the Atmalinga on the ground. Soon Ganesha began to call Ravan, as he was unable to carry the heavy Atmalinga. When Ravan returned, Ganesh had already placed the Atmalinga on the ground and had left. It was too late for Ravan to do anything. He was unable to get his wishes since the linga was already on the ground. This has now become a place of pilgrimage in the south, known as Gokarna. Thus we see how Lord Ganesha protects the world. Those who ignore God, are proud and arrogant, do not win God's favor. God is very compassionate, but we must pay respect to Him. Otherwise, people will think that they are successful through their own power and strength. Put God first, and all else will be added into it. God is love, so we must love God and be free. Sri Ganesha, Sri Krishna, and the entire pantheon of our Hindu gods took birth many thousands of years ago. In the present age, the same power or Brahman took the form of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahamsa to give us practical advice on how we can live in the world and yet remember God. In Sri Ramakrishna, only God lived. He was the instrument and God was the operator. He was the house and God was the indweller. We chant the mantra Om Aim Sarva Deva Devi Swarupaya Shri Ramakrishnaya Namaha. This means that Sri Ramakrishna is the embodiment of all the gods and goddesses, and we thus prostrate to him. By worshipping Sri Ramakrishna, we are indeed worshipping Sri Ganeshji and all the other gods and goddesses. Swami Vivekananda found in the Master that man can be perfect even in this body. He said of the Master, "Those lips never cursed anyone, nor even criticized anyone. Those eyes were beyond the possibility of seeing evil. He saw nothing but good. That tremendous purity, that tremendous renunciation is the one secret of spirituality." May Lord Ganesha bless us with a clear mind so that we can pray, meditate, and reach our goal. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Om Ambige Magane Vinayaka
Ambige Magane Vinayaka
Ambige Magane Vinayaka
Ambige
मगने विनायका
अंबिके मगने विनायका
जगवत नाद नाद विनायक
जगवत नादन नाद विनायक
गौरी पुदल वन विनायक
शिव गौरी पुदवन विनायका
विघ्न विनाशक सर्व विनायक
विघ्न विनाशक सर्व विनायक
विघ्नेश गणेश सिद्धि विनायक
विघ्नेश गणेशा सिद्धि विनायक
गौरी पुदल वन विनायका
गौरी पुदवन विनायका
शिव गौरी पुदल वन विनायका
शिव गौरी पुदवन विनायका
शिव गौरी पुदल वन विनायका
शिव गौरी पुदवन विनायका
शिव गौरी पुदल वन विनायका ओम श्री राम कृष्ण भगवान की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय श्री अम्बे अम्बे मात की जय श्री गणपति भगवान की जय
जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा माता जानी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जानी पार्वती पिता महादेवा रघुवन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा रघुवन का भोग लगे संत करे सेवा संत करे सेवा संत करे सेवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजधारी एक दंत दयावंत चार भुजधारी माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मोस की सवारी माथे पे सिंदूर सोहे मोस की सवारी दुखियों के दुख हरन परमानंद देवा जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा अंधन को आँख देत कोई अण को काया अंधन को आँख देत कोई अण को काया वांझन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया वांझन को पुत्र देत निर्धन को माया भव से पार करो नाथ भजन करो तेरा जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा जो तेरा ध्यान करे ज्ञान मिले उसको जो तेरा ध्यान करे ज्ञान मिले उसको छोड़ तुझे और भला जाऊं मैं किसको छोड़ तुझे और भला जाऊं मैं किसको हे देवा कृपा करो कष्ट हरो मेरा जय गणेश देवा जय गणेश देवा माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
विश्व भगवान की जय। पवन सुत हनुमान की जय। श्री अम्बे अम्बे मात की जय। श्री गणपति भगवान की जय।
Om Namo Narayanaya, dear sisters and brothers. As we sit calmly and meditate on the glorious form of Lord Ganesha, let us contemplate on the meaning of verse 3 of the Ganesha Pancharatnam. Salutations to Sri Vinayak, who is the auspicious power behind all the worlds and who destroys our vices, whose huge body signifies prosperity and whose luminous face reflects his imperishable nature, who showers grace, forgiveness, joy and glory to his devotees, who bestows intelligence and wisdom to those who salute him with reverence. I salute his shining form. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Jai Jagadish Hare Swami Jai Jagadish Hare Bhakta Janon ke sangat Bhakta Janon ke sangat Kshan mein dur kare. Om Jai Jagadish Hare. जो ध्यावे फल पावे दुख विनशे मन का स्वामी दुख विनशे मन का सुख संपत्ति घर आवे सुख संपत्ति घर आवे कष्ट मिटे तन का ओम जय जगदीश हरे मात पिता तुम मेरे शरण गहूँ किसकी स्वामी शरण गहूँ किसकी तुम बिना और न दूजा तुम बिना और न दूजा आस करो जिसकी ओम जय जगदीश हरे तुम पूर्ण परमात्मा तुम अंतर्यामी स्वामी तुम अंतर्यामी पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर पार ब्रह्म परमेश्वर तुम सबके स्वामी ओम जय जगदीश हरे तुम करुणा के सागर तुम पालन करता स्वामी तुम पालन करता मैं सेवक तुम स्वामी मैं सेवक तुम स्वामी कृपा करो भरता ओम जय जगदीश हरे तुम हो एक अगोचर सबके प्राणपति स्वामी सबके प्राणपति इस विधि मिलो दया में इस विधि मिलो दया में तुमको मैं कुमति ओम जय जगदीश हरे दीन बंधु दुख हरता तुम रक्षक में स्वामी तुम रक्षक मेरे, करुणा हस्त बढ़ाओ, करुणा हस्त बढ़ाओ, शरण पड़ा तेरे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे, विषय विकार मिटाओ, पाप हरो देवा, स्वामी पाप हरो देवा, श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ, श्रद्धा भक्ति बढ़ाओ, सनातन की सेवा। ओम जय जगदीश हरे,
ओम जय जगदीश हरे,
स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे, भक्त जनों के संकट, भक्त जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारं, संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारं, सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे, भवन् भवानी सहितं नमामि, भवन् भवानी सहितं नमामि। मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णु, मङ्गलं गरुडध्वज, मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष, मङ्गलाय तनोहरि, सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके, शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी, नारायणी नमोस्तुते, नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु, सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु, सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु, सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। हरि ओम तत्सत्।
जय
श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, महामाई की जय, स्वामी जी महाराज की जय, गंगा मात की जय, महावीर स्वामी जी की जय, सर्व ऋषि मुनियों की जय, पार्वती पतये हर हर महादेव की जय, श्री गणपति भगवान की